Welcome to Combank Digital. To enjoy swift and easy bill payments, input your username and click Continue to proceed. Now input your password to log in. Click on Payments and Transfers. Select Bill Payments from the Payment Type drop-down. Select the account you wish to debit. Select the biller. Enter the amount and the reference number. Accept the terms and conditions and click Submit. Input the OTP and click Confirm. Your transaction has now been successfully submitted for processing. To view the electronic receipt, click Return and go to the Self-Management tab and select Online Activity. Select the required transaction and tap the arrow in the corner to download. Confirm the download by clicking Download Cyber Receipt.